There is one thing that can make or break your photograph, and that is composition. Composition means how you divide the visual weight of your elements in your image and how clearly you can tell a story to your viewers. Now, I have got some exciting news for you today. I'm going to teach you everything about composition that I have learned in the last decade, and I'm thrilled to announce a brand new free short course on composition in photography just for you guys. This series will consist of 8 videos, and I will be sharing a video every Wednesday and Sunday at 7 p.m. So stay tuned because there is a lot to learn. Now let's dive in. Do you know what composition means in photography? Essentially, it's about putting together all the elements in your image in a harmonious way. Think of composition as the heart and soul of your photograph. It's what breathes life into your image. Images are visual languages, and you can communicate with your audiences through your work. Apart from your main subject, elements like lines, colors, shapes, textures, and form all play a part. Each element has a visual weight, and there is a specific rule to distribute that weight effectively. Sure, you might say composition is subjective, but think of it like music. If you play piano keys in a random order, it's just noise. But when played in a specific sequence, it creates a melody. The same goes for photography. Your goal should be to make your images as clear and communicative as possible. Let them quickly grasp your message when they look at the image. In this series, I will share established rules of composition to help you understand and enhance your photographic storytelling. Today, we are kicking off with a fundamental yet crucial rule, breathing space, or you can call it negative space as well. Breathing space is the empty area around your subject. The more empty space there is, the more focus your subject will draw. Also known as nose room or leading room, it means your subject should have some room to move into, creating a sense of direction and comfort for the viewer. Using breathing space effectively can create a sense of comfort. Conversely, breaking this rule can create a sense of restriction or tension. For example, if you don't leave enough space for your subject to look into, the viewer may feel lost or directionless. Now let's look at some examples. In this image, a lion-tailed macaque is walking down a path. Notice the space in front of it. This gives the viewer a sense of direction, showing that the macaque is moving towards something. In another example, here is a stone chat perched on a branch. Although it's a small bird in the frame, the space around it, especially in the direction in which it's looking, provides a natural flow to the image. But what if your subject is looking directly into the camera? In this case, you can center the subject with equal space on both the sides, creating symmetry. For instance, a subject walking towards the camera can be positioned right in the middle, leaving space on either side to enhance the sense of balance. In another example, if two subjects are looking at each other, placing them in the center can balance the composition a great deal. They will counterbalance each other's visual weight, making the image cohesive and complete. Now that's it for today. In our next video, we will explore another fascinating rule of composition to help you make your images even better. So don't miss it. See you soon.